Right, today I'll be making some date cookies, which are just, cookies with dates and some other ingredients. So let's just start the recipe, shall we? Or should I explain some more things? Well, I probably should because these are no easy to make cookies. So yeah. Alright, so first of all, you're gonna take a pan and you wanna put some hot oil inside of it, and then you wanna a little bit on low heat. You wanna melt some light chocolate, which is this thing, and you wanna melt it till it becomes. You wanna melt it. After chocolate has been melted, take these silicone cups, whatever shape and size you want, doesn't matter, and you wanna put the chocolate, the light part, on the bottom. And then you want to leave them aside so we can prepare the other mixture for these cookies. Also, it's entirely based on personal preference how big the sizes you want to make them. You can make them large, you can make them small, doesn't matter. You can have all kinds of shapes and sizes, really. Then you want to take some crushed walnuts and some regular nuts as well. And instead of a bowl, make sure you dice them as thin as this into these chunks, alright? And then you want to add some grated lemon and mandarin zest. Make sure they're pretty much natural. And also finally add the dates. Yes, these are the dates I'm talking about, this dry fruit. And then also make sure they're chopped up into smaller chunks. Slightly, cake can be slightly larger, doesn't matter. And then you want to mix them up till it becomes this thick, I can't say it, thick mixture, also kind of doughy at the same time. After that, you want to take the date mixtures. You kind of separate them into like these small circles, small balls, circles, whatever you want to call them, and then you want to push them inside the silicone mixture with the light chocolate, and you want to push them as far as they'll go inside each opening you have, depending on what kind of silicone cookie maker you actually have. And then you want to just push the mixture inside each chocolate layer. Make sure to cover the entire thing up. After you're done filling up the gaps with the date mixture, you wanna also melt some dark chocolate, the same way we melted the light chocolate, and then you wanna pour it on top of the cookie mixtures on each opening you have. Same procedure as the beginning. So you can have a nice two color effect on the cookies. After you're done pouring the chocolate mixture, you wanna either refrigerate them or leave them inside of a cold room for about 4 to 6 hours at least. You can make it to 2 or 4 if you really want them quicker, but they should be that quick to make, so yeah, whatever. Either way, after that, once they're refrigerated, take them out of the silicone mold, and then you want to decorate them wherever you want, on any kind of dish or plate you want. And that's about it. That's as simple as it can get. It doesn't need baking, it doesn't need much baking, doesn't need much ingredients. That's about it. That's how much these cookies are needed to make. So yeah, very quick, very simple, very nice. That's all for today.